Hello there, this is Mike Earn, and we're looking at the weekly Forex market forecast. And in this video, we'll be looking at the USD card, AUDUSD, Euro AUD, and the Euro CHF currency pairs. Before we get into the business of the day, let me introduce you to some of my products. This is the Forex account management service that I offer. And also this is the premium Forex signal service that I offer as well. So for the account management service, you earn as much as 15 to 20% monthly. If you let me handle your trading accounts, let me handle your Forex trading accounts and manage your Forex trading accounts, you can get as much as 15 to 20% profit and even much more monthly, right? We also have a referral bonus of 15% commission from our cut of the profit made. So there will be a profit sharing ratio. You make as much as 15 to 20% profits monthly, and we get our cut, and you also get your cut, and your trading account will keep increasing progressively like that, right? So if you are interested in this Forex management service that I offer, Forex account management service, and if you're interested in this Forex account management service that I offer, my contact is in the description below. It is my direct Telegram contact. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and chat me up, and let's talk about how you can come on board and how you can be part of what we do, right? So it is really going to help your trading and help you take your profits to the highest possible level. So you earn as much as 15 to 20% profits and even much more monthly, and you get a commission of 15% for everybody that you get on board. So the next product, the premium Forex signal service, which goes for $200 monthly. Now, I have realized that a lot of people have been trading for many years and still don't know what to do. They still don't know how to sustainably make profits, and it is crazy. And I know how terrible that can be when you have been in the market for so long and you still don't get it. But the Forex market is quite different from many other kind of businesses out there. The Forex market needs a lot of patience, needs a lot of understanding to make profits. So while you're still in the process of learning all that, or maybe you're no longer interested in all that, you can get, or even if you are already a profitable trader yourself, you can make much more profit with the premium Forex signal service that I offer. This goes for $200 monthly, and it is highly profitable, right? For $200 monthly. Yes, I know the price looks different from what a lot of you see out there, but one thing you need to know is this: I promise you, it is much more value than the $200 that you are paying for it, right? It is much more value than you get much more value than the $200 you're paying for it. So this the signals I provide on this platform, on the signal service, are from tested and trusted trading systems. Trading systems that have been tested and trusted over the years are what I use to derive these signals. And I myself, I'm in this market to make money. I'm making money trading. I also know that selling signals would also make me some money. So I'm doing that. Since I'm making money trading, I'm going to also make money selling signals. I'm also going to make money, you know, managing Forex accounts as well, right? So you can also be part of what I do. And I only give, on this signal service, I only post trades that I take myself, right? So I'm not one of those, I don't know if signal service providers do that, but I do not give signals that I don't take myself, right? I only give signals that I take myself because I know how profitable they can be, and I also don't want to miss out on that. So that's one thing you can take to the bank. This is really you make a lot of money. You'll take your trading profits to the highest possible level following this signal service. Now also you can use the same contact, my direct Telegram contact in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, chat me up, and let's talk about how you can start working with me, how you can start getting the signals and also making a lot of money. So that is that for the products I have for you: the Forex account management service, which you get as much as 15 to 20% profits monthly, and also the premium Forex signal service, which you get for $200 monthly. We are here to serve you. I am here to serve you. So let's get back to the business of the day. So let's get started right away. Now we're starting first with the USD currency pair. Now let's take a look at the monthly time frame. What does the monthly time frame tell us? Price has been in a range, from a bigger range to a smaller range, but it's still, in a range all the same. So what should we expect? This is the weekly time frame, same story. The daily, same idea as well. So what should we expect from price going forward? Well, what we expect is quite simple. So let's take a look at the zone. Now we are using the daily time frame as the execution time frame here. So now if we see price shoot up into this if we see price shoot up into this 1.36503 zone, and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone. If price gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I suggest that you can go for a one-to-one sell right there, a one-to-one sell trade in that scenario, right? But if we see price push lower into either of the 1.34556 or the 1.34224 zones, we get a bullish day close at either of those zones, then I suggest that you can go for a one-to-one buy trade. Right, if we get a bullish day close above either of those zones, I suggest that you can go for a one-to-one buy trade at either of those zones, right? Go for a one-to-one buy trade in such scenarios. Don't forget, only take these trades if they meet your personal confirmation. Please don't forget that, right? So what I said was, if we see price push higher into this 1.36503 zone and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, right, on the daily time frame, we can go for a one-to-one sell if it meets our confirmation, right? And in this other scenario, if we see price push lower, into either of the 1.34556 or the 1.34224 zones, and it gives us a bullish day close at either of those zones, I suggest that you can also buy and go for a one-to-one buy trade at either of those zones. So that is for USD card, simple and straightforward. Let's go to the AUDUSD currency pair. Now the monthly time frame tells us that price has been bearish, but we've had some major support at this zone that has rejected price and made price push higher. So now, is it going to keep going higher? Well, we have to keep our fingers crossed and watch out for that. But what the decisions we can make right now, or what we can predict right now, is this: that if we see price, now this is my prediction, right? If we see price come into either of these zones, if we see price come into either of the 0.68679 zone or the 0.68925 zone, if we see price come into either of those zones and it gives us a bearish day close at either of those zones, then I suggest that you go for a sell, go for a one-to-one sell in either of those zones, because the market has been rejected at this major zone, so we don't know how far it's going to go high. So I think it's safe to just take a one-to-one risk-reward ratio at either of those zones, right? That's what I would suggest. That's what I'll suggest. Now, but if price doesn't do that, if price comes to either of the 0.66722 zones or the 0.66953 zone, and it gives us a bullish day close at either of those zones, I suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio right there. Go for a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio buy trade, right, in that kind of scenario, using the daily time frame as the execution time frame. So what I said was that if we see price push higher, from this point where it's closed, if we see price push higher into either of the 0.68925 or the 0.68679 zones, and it gives us a bearish day close at either of those zones, then you can go for a sell. If it meets your confirmation, you can go for a 1-to-1 sell right there. But if we see in another scenario, we see price come into this to either of the 0.66953 or the 0.66722 zones, and it gives us a bullish day close at either of those zones, then I suggest that you can go for a buy, a 1-to-1 buy, if it meets your confirmation as well. So that is that for the USD, for the AUD USD currency pair analysis. So let's go to the Euro AUD analysis right away. Yeah, so this is Euro AUD. We had a trade on the Euro AUD currency pair. I think we had a trade on it just last week or 2 weeks ago. Yeah, it was a profitable one. So if you like to enjoy profitable trades, my direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link and paste it and chat me up. Tell me you would like to be part of the monthly. You would like to be part of the what's it called now? The signal service, right? It goes for $200 monthly, or you would like to be part of the account management service, whichever one you like to be part of. So this is the monthly time frame on the Euro AUD currency pair, and yeah, so we see that price seemed to have been pushing higher over the years from this point very slowly, so we can't really confirm that it's a bullish move. In my opinion, I will not call it a bullish trend because I'm not convinced it is. So let's go down to the daily time frame. So what should we expect from this currency pair this coming week? Hopefully this coming week. Now if we see price, I hope you're listening please. If we see price come into this zone, this 1.6221 zone, or the 1.61884 zones, if price comes into either of those zones and gives us a bullish day close at either of those zones, I suggest that you go for a buy, right? Go for a buy because we must have seen price do an extended move to this point and giving us a day close at this major zone. It's already a high probability setup in my opinion. So if it meets your confirmation, you can go for that trade. A 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, it might be enough for you right there. Now, but if price doesn't do that, if price comes back into this 1.65727 zone and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I would suggest that you go for a sell, right? If you go for a sell, go for a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio and let it close there. Don't forget, you can only take such trades if they meet your confirmation. So that is for Euro AUD. Now let's go to the Euro CHF currency pair. Now for Euro CHF, what should we expect? Go to the monthly time frame. It's a very bearish trend. You can tell it is. Down to the weekly, same idea, very bearish as well. although we can see this bullish pin bar which seems to still be in play right there. But on the daily time frame, what do we have? Now this is my prediction for the new week. If we see price come into this if we see price come into either of the 0.95299 or the 0.95643 zones, and it gives us a bearish day close below either of those zones, then I suggest that you go for a sell. I suggest that you go for a sell if price gives us a bearish day close at either of those zones. Go for a sell if it meets your confirmation. Do a 1-to-1 and you'll be good. Do a 1-to-1 and you'll be good. So in another scenario, well, I'm not convinced that price coming into this zone is enough extended move to look out for a trade. So maybe we should watch out for this one instead. So if we see price come into the 0.93069 zone, then I suggest, and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, right? Using the daily time frame as our execution time frame. If price gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. You know, take a buy trade, go for a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, right? And that would be that for EURCHF. Quite simple and straightforward. If it comes high into any of these zones, go for a sell. If it gives us a bearish day close, if it comes into the zone, go for a buy. If it gives us a bullish day close, yes. So thanks for watching today's video. Before we go, I'd like to tell you about the products that I offer: the Forex account management service and the Forex premium Forex signal service as well. Now for the account management service, you get as much as 15 to 20% profit monthly if you let me trade your account. If you let me manage your account, you get as much as 15 to 20% profit monthly and even much more. And also, if you get anyone on board to do business with us, you get 15% commission from my part of the profit. You get a 15% commission. Now the trades I take on the Forex account management service are highly profitable trades and high probability trades only. That's the way I trade. That's the way I've been trading. High probability and high profits only, right? So this is what I do, and this is how you make a lot of money. There's a profit sharing ratio. When you come into my DM, we talk about that. My direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and let's chat about how you can be part of this service that I offer, right? How you can be part of this service, how you can also benefit from this service that I offer. Come into my DM. My Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, use the link, and let's talk about how you can be part of what I offer, right? Now to the Forex signal service. Now with the premium Forex signal service, which goes for $200 monthly, you get highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading to the highest possible level with profit making. I know $200 looks really different from what you have out there, but this is the promise. You get a lot more value with the $200 monthly service that I offer. You know, you get a whole lot more value than the $200 that you pay for it. So the premium Forex signal service is here to help you. I'm aware that many people out there have been trading for years and they've not been able to sustainably make profits. But with this premium Forex signal service, you get to make a lot of profit with the signals that I offer, right? I only give signals that I take myself, so profits, a whole lot of profits are guaranteed, right? So come into my DM. My direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, use the link, and let's chat about how you can be part of what I do, how you can benefit from this service that I offer. Yeah, so that's it. The Forex account management service and the Forex the premium Forex signal service. Forex account management service, which promises as much as 15 to 20% profit monthly. Yeah, so sometimes it might be lower than, sometimes it might be lower than that, sometimes it might be definitely much more than that for the Forex account management service, and you get, you know, your profits consistently. And for the premium Forex signal service, you get highly profitable trading signals that are derived from highly profitable trading systems that have been tested and trusted over the years. So thanks for watching today's video. Bye for now.